Springtime has arrived. That means the rain has come. That means the weeds are sprouting, if you didn't use weed killer. And that means the grass is growing, which means, for me, it's time to cut it. Why is this significant? It's significant because I do not own a lawnmower. So I gotta go get one. And I don't know which one to get. I've looked at the electric, I've looked at the gas. There's pros and cons to each one. So I just gotta go get it done. Today is the day. My grass is starting to look like an open, crazy, wild field. And I don't want it to look like that. So here we go. Got a lot of cash, got a lot of stash, got a lot of what, got a lot of woo, got a lot of win, got a lot of woo, got a lot of cash, that's what I came for. A lot of what, got a lot of woo, got a lot of win, got a lot of what. Gas or electric, that is my quandary. Do I want to deal with changing oil, fumes? Get the power, or do I want whisper quiet operation? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I mean, I'm definitely impressed by the gas. It's kind of crazy, but I think I'm gonna go with the electric. I would rather deal with the issues that could happen with an electric mower than the issues that have been known to happen for years with gas. I just think that's the one I'm gonna go for. The Ego. Self-propelled 21. Had to look around a little bit. I found a cart. It was right here 10 minutes ago. Oh my goodness.
There's only one.
This lawnmower was right there 10 minutes ago.
I wasn't break.
I know.
I wasn't really.
Would that be the last one, or?
Okay, the one for $4.99 here.
Yeah.
Somebody bought it and out of your hand.
Well, yeah. I was debating, and then I didn't know where to get these carts from. And by the time I found a cart, oh, careful. Man. Is that it up there?
I know. That's what I'm wondering. It's here. 21 inch, 56 volt.
Yeah. I think that is it.
That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna get somebody to get down. I think you're right.
Okay, that's harder to get than the one that was right there.
I know.
But
okay, let me go get somebody.
All right, so I got to stand outside the gate because of safety reasons. They don't want that heavy thing to fall on me. I know. One single button on top. I mean, I don't even think I could mess this up. We shall soon see. Wasn't paying attention. Okay. Looks like a blade on the bottom of a lawnmower. We'll just go with that. Nice little handle right there. I need to put the battery in, and I think I want to do the mulcher. charge it up. It's cool how the handle folds all the way up, gets completely out the way. That looked like it went there. And it didn't. Said go ahead and the directions said to go ahead and push down any further. What's this thing? Goodness. Don't know. Okay, so the side discharge chute is attached. This is the mulcher. Here. And you can have either this in there or that, but I really didn't realize that the mulcher was already in there. Again, forgive my newness to this. Soon I will have it down and be a lawn master. But for now, let me just take care of the basics. So this is your gear, how fast you're gonna go. Safety lever. Won't start unless this is pulled in. And this is your lever that powers you forward. Check it out. And this is a big reason why I bought this lawnmower. First time starting. Let's check it out. And why didn't it start? Green light, good to go. Give it a squeeze.
Then, suddenly, I had an epiphany. What would happen if I pushed the button first and then pulled the lever? Yes, I knew it. I knew it.
I've been cutting for about 20 minutes so far, I'd say. And my first thoughts are, I just don't have a problem with the amount of power that it's giving. I was concerned that using electric, that I'd be losing some sort of power, but it's cutting the grass pretty good. But I do have to admit, I have a feeling like I'm racing against time. All batteries die, and I just can't gauge quite when that's gonna be. Now there is a light on there that will tell me, and it hasn't been 60 minutes, so if I just look at those two things, I'm okay. But mentally, it's just like, I feel like it's a race against time. Okay, so I've made a bunch of passes in the back here. Still holding out. Light still green, but so far, first time using, I think it's a pretty good thing. Very easy to store, just like they said. And I finished in just the nick of time. Whew. All right, all finished. First time mowing the lawn since moving into this house, and I chose to go with an electric mower, the Ego self-propelled 21-inch cordless. You know, I had no problems with it. Did it have the torque of gas? It had enough torque to do what it needed to do. Did it have power beyond belief? Maybe a little bit, because it is a battery charged lawnmower, and I wouldn't really think that something powered by battery could even compete with fossil fuel, gas. But it did, and the lawn is finished. It does have enough power to get the job done. I didn't feel underpowered. The noise was still noisy to me, but less than a gas mower. And I think that if your yard's not too big, this could be perfect. Or you could go out, buy a separate battery. But I believe those are a couple $100 or more. I really haven't checked it out, but I know that they're not on the cheap side of things. Hopefully with experience, I'll get it down and the lawn will look healthier and I'll be more efficient in my lawn mowing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.